19 days until my next 5K race. Let's do a zone 2 training run for about 45 minutes. I'm also trying out these new biker shorts from Amazon. I think the brand is Sunzel, but yeah, let's get into it. Gotta kick out the puppies. Come on, let's go. Come on, out. So, I ended up doing three and a half miles, a little over 45 minutes. I like to get to, an even number. So these did ride up a good bit in the middle. Not enough to where I wouldn't wear them. I didn't have any chafing, and I did not put body glove on because I forgot. So yeah, I think I'll keep them, and yeah, I still would like ones a little tighter, but the band is tight enough. Until next time.